Hung Trek, a commune in Bo Trek district, Quang Binh, where the green fields stretch out and the people are gentle and hardworking. After each harvest season, people here face difficulties in preserving agricultural products. Lacking drying equipment, agricultural products are easily damaged, lose quality, and reduce economic value. But now, with investment from the Sustainable Forest Management and Biodiversity Project sponsored by USAID and Helvetas Vietnam, the horizontal wind reversing dryer has been installed in Hung Trek. This is the second project in the journey of installing 3 dryers in Quang Binh, following the success in Minh Hoa. The project not only helps preserve biodiversity but also improves the quality of agricultural products and improves people's income. SUNSAY's team of technicians and staff always bring professionalism and dedication to each installation stage. We ensure that the machines are installed correctly and provide detailed instructions so that people can operate them easily. The satisfaction of Hung Trek people is our greatest motivation. When receiving the dryer, joy and excitement were clearly visible on the faces of the people. The SUNSAY wind reversing horizontal tray dryer not only helps maintain the quality of agricultural products but also saves time and costs. With advanced technology, the dryer ensures uniform drying, no need to stir the materials, easy to install and operate. In particular, low investment and energy costs help people save maximum production costs. Using the SUNSAY dryer, your agricultural products will not only achieve the best quality but also help increase economic value. Don't let your agricultural products go to waste. Invest in the SUNSAY wind reversing horizontal tray dryer today. Contact us at 094-110-8888 for detailed advice and support. SUNSAY, a trusted partner of Vietnamese farmers, accompanying them on the path of sustainable development, improving the quality of life.